Hello friends, welcome back. Let's solve today a number of ways dynamic program. The problem statement is given a distance d, count number of ways to cover the distance in 1 or 2 or 3 steps. So you can jump in 1 step, or you can jump 2 steps, or you can jump 3 steps. So if you imagine this staircase, the distance is 5. To reach 5th step, how many ways are there? It might be the question. So from 4th step you can take 1 step to reach 5, or from 3rd step you can take 2 steps to reach 5, or from 2nd step you can take 3 steps to reach 5. Again, to reach 4, this is you have to do this recursively. You can do n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3. Okay, you can reach from in 1 step from 3rd step. You can reach to 4 from 2nd step. If you take 2 steps you can reach 4, or from 1st step if you take 3 steps you can reach 4. So basically this is a recursive function. So the options available are n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3. If you add all these options, you will get number of ways. Okay, let's write that. Okay, let's write that. So this is the problem. Okay, see out, count n ways, n is 5 over here. Okay, I'm giving 5 int count n ways int d. In this case d is 5. Okay, when d is, so what is the options that you have? Int option 1 is equal to count n ways to reach d minus 1. Okay, int option 2 is count n ways to reach d from n minus 2. Okay, int option 3 is count n ways where you can reach the step from d minus 3. Okay, you just add this option 1 plus option 2 plus option 3. Okay, you just return this. So what is the base condition? So the base condition is, so whenever the d is 1, so 1 can be reached from 0 in 1 step. Okay, from ground you can reach 1 in 1 step. Okay, below ground nothing is there, so anything less than, n minus 1 is true, n minus 2, okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, this is false. So anything less than 0, okay, there won't be any step below ground, right? So when the d value is less than 0, you can't reach from that. Okay, so the base case will be 0 when d less than or equal, when d less than 0 it is 0. If d is equal to 0, okay, from 0 you can reach to that particular d in 1 step. So if d less than 0 you can't reach at all, return 0. If d equal to 0, so you can reach that particular step in 1 step. Okay, so for example, whenever d is equal to 1, okay, whenever d is equal to 1, so you just count how many ways are there to reach 1 from d minus 1. So when d is 1 minus 1, 0, when d is equal to 0, from 0 to 1 you can reach in 1 step. Okay, d less than 0 you can't reach. So this is the recursive function. Okay, when you run this, 13 is the answer. Okay, so whenever you are increasing the number of steps, it will take lot of time. So if I give 20, okay, if I give 25, what are the number of ways to reach 25 or 15 or 10? Okay, it will take lot of time to calculate. When as the n increases, number of overlapping subproblem increases. So I mentioned that number of steps won't be more than 100. So cache will be 100, 101. Okay, so only one varying variable is there, so 1D cache is enough. Init cache for int I is equal to 0, I less than 101, I plus plus, init the cache to -1. Okay, so store the result into the cache for that particular state of D. Okay, you are storing in the value into cache, and if you are asked to calculate again, then you don't need to calculate. If it is not equal to -1, return from the cache. So with this, if you try to run, I'm getting answer as 0. Oh, some mistake I have done. Let me see. Oh, I didn't init the cache. I didn't call init cache. Okay, so if you try to run now, it will throw some answer. Let's see. Yeah, so it is 274 base. So number of ways is 274 if you increase the value. Okay, so to reach the 10th step you have 274 values. So if I give 20, so to reach the 20th step, number of ways are this many ways to reach the 20th step. So as you increase the n value, overlapping subproblem increases. Okay, if you don't cache it, it will take long time to calculate. Okay, to reach any nth step, n-1 plus n-2 plus n-3 ways you have to calculate. Okay, so if the D is equal to 0, from 0th step to that particular step, it takes only one step to reach. Okay, that is the base condition. If D less than 0, answer is 0. Okay, and you have to store it into the cache, and for that particular D, if again you are going to calculate, don't calculate, return it from the cache. So this is the solution for n number of ways, and you can find the code in the description. Okay, see you in the next video.